In this video, we're going to explore Excel 365's new and most powerful functions. Back in 2018, Microsoft announced that Excel was getting a whole new set of functions that would completely change the way we work with spreadsheets. These Excel 365 new functions introduce something called dynamic arrays, which allow formulas to return multiple results that automatically spill into neighboring cells. What's exciting is that these new Excel 365 functions are not just small updates, they're really game changers. They're faster, more flexible, and honestly, they make a lot of the tasks that used to be difficult to do incredibly easy. And the best part of it all is that they work beautifully together. So let's start with something simple. Imagine that you have a list of sales reps and the total annual sales for each product they've sold. And so some reps are going to appear multiple times because they've sold multiple products, and some products appear multiple times because they are sold by different reps. Before 2018, if we wanted to pull out a list of unique sales reps or unique products, you would have to either use advanced formulas, use a pivot table, or manually run the remove duplicates functionality. Now, in Excel 365, you just type equals unique and then select the range of cells and press enter. And you get a clean dynamic list. And we can do the same thing for the products. Supposing now we also wanted to quickly grab all the products sold by a specific sales rep. Okay, so before 2018, this would require a complex list of formulas, but now here we can just use the filter function where we give it a range and a condition, and Excel instantly shows the rows with what you need. And so here, if we're looking for, show us all of the products sold by Lisa Rosen and their total sales, we're going to get this list. And now let's say that we want to sort the filtered sales amount. So here we would use the function sort. We want to filter B3 to D22, where the sales rep equals what's in cell H5, and we want to sort by the total sales, and we want to sort it in decreasing order. Okay, so if we wanted to sort it in ascending order, then we would just do this and the list would be filtered. With these new Excel functions, one of the things that you will notice is that Excel now spills the results over multiple cells automatically. This is what we call a spill range. And so as you can see here, this is happening where I put the formula in the first cell and it spills into the required cells. So there's no more dragging formulas down. And you know it's working when you see this little blue border around the results. Of course, if something is blocking the area, then you're going to get a spill error. And later in our videos, I'll talk about how to fix that. Okay, so spill ranges are one of the biggest innovations that came with Excel 365's new functions back in 2018. Another exciting benefits of using spill ranges is that they make formulas simpler. For example, if I wanted to calculate the commission, which is going to be 5% based on the total sales, I would just say the commission is going to be this times the commission rate. So the total sales times the commission rate, and now we get the formula to fill the entire list or table. And so this is going to reduce the need for complex copy and paste steps, and it's going to make your spreadsheets cleaner, faster, and easier to maintain. With these Excel 365 functions, things like unique, filter, sort, and spill ranges, Excel is going to let you build smarter, more responsive sheets that almost feel like databases, but without all of the hassle. And so these are powerful tools that will transform how we work in Excel.